What is Terson syndrome? It results due to bleeding inside the brain. The most common trigger is a subarachnoid hemorrhage. This creates a massive pressure wave inside the skull. This pressure wave travels straight to the eye and bursts the blood vessels. This whole chain reaction is called Terson syndrome. This is a case of 45 years old female presenting with diminished vision in both eyes for 1 month. She has a history of operated subarachnoid hemorrhage 1 month back due to a basilar artery aneurysm, complicated by cerebellar stroke and hypertension. Visual acuity was finger counting at half meters in the right eye and 3 meters in the left eye, with anterior segment within normal limits in both eyes. After detailed counseling, the right eye was taken up for surgery. A core vitrectomy was initiated to debulk the dense vitreous hemorrhage and restore visualization. With gradual clearing of the media, posterior vitreous detachment was induced nasal to the optic disc, carefully separating the posterior hyaloid. As the view improved, an old devitalized subhyaloid hemorrhage obscuring the macula became evident. Using the aspiration mode of the cutter, the hemorrhage was gently evacuated, relieving macular obstruction. This was followed by meticulous peripheral vitrectomy to clear residual hemorrhage. The posterior pole and retinal periphery appeared healthy, with no associated retinal pathology. The procedure was completed with fluid air exchange. Following excellent recovery in the right eye, the left eye was operated 1 month later. Core vitrectomy was performed to remove the dense vitreous hemorrhage. During PVD induction with the cutter, the devitalized subhyaloid hemorrhage was lifted off along with the posterior hyaloid. Peripheral vitrectomy was then completed. A careful 360-degree inspection of the retinal periphery revealed no treatable lesions, a typical finding in Terson's syndrome. The surgery concluded with fluid air exchange. Both eyes showed excellent postoperative recovery with dramatic visual improvement. This textbook case of Terson's syndrome demonstrates the classic association of intracranial hemorrhage with bilateral vitreous hemorrhage. Timely pars plana vitrectomy restores retinal visualization and offers remarkable visual rehabilitation, especially in young patients.